What is up, trappers? We are live here in the trapway. Behind me you see the trap laser. I got the Jag back here. If you guys know, we've been working on lighting on the Jag quite a bit. Last night I did some more work, we did some more things, and later on this evening we're going to get this thing lit up once that sun goes down. Beautiful sun. It's still a beautiful day. It's supposed to get cold tomorrow, so after sunset, on this last beautiful day that we're probably going to have, you hear the wind. So nice. It's picking up. It's beautiful out here. But we're going to get this thing lit up and show you guys what we did here in the front. We've been working on a lot of the front stuff. Let's just say we've been working on the lights here, guys. I'm kind of excited to show you this. It worked out a lot cooler, a lot nicer than what I thought it was going to. Our side marker light here, it was out, so I went ahead and we replaced the bulb in that too, so that's back on. So the lights on this look real nice, guys. Definitely going to be a cool surprise, so make sure you get out here, check it out. I'm going to get some pictures. We'll probably do another video on the Jag once we have it done, but I'm telling you guys, the front end of this looks so cool. I have to make a run and take care of some things, and then I'm going to get back. I'm going to finish up the front of this Jag, and we'll be back tonight, guys, for another look around at all the lights and the light mod here. So stay tuned, stay posted, keep on trapping. We'll catch you in the next clip, guys.